So here we are talking about Match365 app. Match365 is a soccer community with hundreds of leagues which give you all the scores, stats and a storyline to keep you up to speed with the world of soccer. Match365 brings you the fastest live soccer scores from 800 plus worldwide leagues. Personalized news and notification make it easy to follow the fixtures of your favorite teams and players. The features in the Match365 apps includes live scores and match stats, community talks, pre-match lineups, personalized news content and push notifications for your favorite team and players. Coverage for over 800 competitions including Premier League, La Liga, Serie A and many more. To register for the Match365 app, I have given the link in the description. You have to click on the link and you will get something like this. So here you have to log in with your Google account. So I click on sign in here, and as you can see I have to provide my email. I have to log in with my Google account, so I provide my email ID, then I click next, and then I provide my email address. So you can see that I am logged in. Now I have to click on the download app option, so I click here and Google Play Store website is opened, so I have to click on open in Play Store app. After clicking on this, it will redirect you to the Play Store app, and from here you can download the app. As I have already downloaded the app, so I directly click on the open option. So here you can see this is the app. Now what you have to do is you have to sign in into the app. So first click here on the menu and click on login. Then you will get an option to sign in with Google. Make sure that you log in with the same email address that you used on the website to log in. So I press on sign in with Google, and it is signed in because the email address is already saved into my device. Now how to post, upvote and comment on Match365 app. So first of all what you have to do is to scroll down here, and now you can see that this is a post, and here you are seeing an upvote and downvote option, the up arrow for upvote and the down arrow for the downvote. If I want to upvote this post, I just click on up arrow and it's upvoted, and if I want to comment on this post, I click on this comment like icon which has 31 value. I click here and you can see the option add a comment. I type here a nice post and then click on post. You can also add images by clicking on this image like icon, and you can upload any media from your gallery and can upload here. Currently I'm just commenting a text and I'm clicking on post, and you can see your reply was sent, and here you can see that my comment is successfully posted. So now how to post in Match365 app. So first of all you have to go to this pencil like icon, and here you can see the title image post, an interesting title, whatever title you want to, hello world. I'm just giving you an example, and click on the plus sign to add any image. And if you want to add some image, I'm adding an image, and here you can choose a tag. I choose Cristiano Ronaldo and click on post to. So you can see now that my post is successfully posted. Here you can see the tag, the hello world and the pic I posted. You can upvote your post, and also you can comment over your post here. I comment nice. This is great. So now I am going to tell you that how you are going to predict in Match365 app, because this is a soccer community app. So first of all you have to go to fixtures, then you have to choose one match, any match. So make sure that the match has a football like icon on the left side, only then you can predict. So I click on this match, and here you can see that I got this predict option. Apart from prediction, you can also see the preview and the lineups are not currently here, and events. So you can see lineups for this match, like this is a preview and this is lineups. You can see here, that's really fantastic. And here you can see the events. This app is quite amazing, really. So back to prediction. Now here you are seeing the predict option. Just click on predict, and you can predict either the left one or the right one, or you can say the match will draw. So you have currently 100 MC. You will get a sign up bonus of 100 MC. You can use that for prediction. If you want to predict more, you can predict more, but in order to predict more, you should have more MC. So now I'm going to tell you how you can buy MCs. So here you can see I have to click on my wallet. Currently I have this much amount of MC, and if you want, I want to exchange my bitcoins with MCs. Like you can see I have 0.0007 bitcoins. If I want to exchange, I just go to MC and click on exchange, and I can exchange all of the bitcoins into MCs. Like if I exchange all my bitcoins, then I will get 7,000 MC. Okay, so if I click on exchange, they will exchange. Secondly, what can I do that if I want to redeem my MC into Bitcoin, then I just click on redemption MC to Bitcoin, and here you can see if I want to redeem all, then I can redeem currently 100. The redemption should be a multiple of 1000 MC, so I can redeem it. I will get 0.0001 Bitcoin. Now the question is, I have this bitcoins already earned from the app. What if I want to transfer bitcoins from any other wallet? So what you can do is just go back to wallet and click on Bitcoin, and here you will see an option of deposit. So click on deposit option and you will get an address. So you just copy this address and paste into your wallet in which you want to transfer the bitcoin. But if you have any problems, then please comment below, or you can click on the how to deposit option, and you will get a step-by-step guide to depositing bitcoin. Like here you can see step 1, finding the deposit option. Step 2, you have to copy the address, you have to paste the address also, and in step 3 you have to wait for confirmation that the transaction was successful. So in this order you can deposit your bitcoins from different wallets. And if you want to withdraw this bitcoin to other wallet, if you want to withdraw your earnings, you can just simply click on withdraw. Here you can see that the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.002 bitcoins. So you have to earn 0.002 bitcoins in order to exchange it, in order to transfer it to your wallet. So this is the option here. You can do that. Like you have to paste the withdrawal address, and if you want to withdraw, then you have to click on submit. So the last but not the least thing, that is how to invite your friends on this app. So you will get the invite option in the menu only. You have to click on invite and click on invite. You can see here that the first option is you invite your friend download the app and uses the app, and you receive bonus. So that's a very good thing. You can copy the link, or you can click on just refer now, and you can refer it on any social media app like WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other social media app, Twitter. And the best part about this app is that you are getting 30 bitcoins per day for 10 days. It's like amazing. It's a very big amount of airdrop. The app distributed $300,000 per day among its users. The more you refer, the more number of effective referrals you have, the more share of the distribution you will get. So here you can see that I have one effective referral, but when I click on it I got like 21 total referrals and I have only one effective refer. Why? So for checking your effective refer, you have to click on total earned and invited. When you click over that, you can see the bonus per day, what I earned, how much MCs. And when I click on invite, I can see that, yeah, there are so many referrals, there are so many people. But if the user, if the invitee, if the refer has an effective sign on the right side of the profile, then only it's an effective refer, and the app itself is saying that only referrals with effective sign can get bonus. So refer your friends. And how to get effective referrals is that ask your friend to download the app and tell them to use that app, man. If somebody just downloads the app from your refer link and just uninstall it, then it is not going to work. It's not an effective refer. You have to refer your friend who is really interested in the app, really wants uh, who is really a soccer fan. Okay, so this is all about Match 365 app, all what you want to know. And still, if you have any doubt, please comment down below. I will try my best to answer your comments, reply to your comments. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends if you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching the video.